Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a zipper on luggage. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a seam ripper, a new zipper of the correct length and type, and a sturdy sewing machine. Make sure your new zipper is at least 24 inches long for most standard luggage. Also, prepare a clean, flat, and well-lit workspace. This ensures you have ample room to maneuver the luggage and see your stitches clearly, making the process much smoother. Now, let's tackle removing the old zipper. Take your seam ripper and carefully begin to detach the old zipper from the luggage fabric. It's crucial to work slowly and deliberately to avoid accidentally cutting or tearing the surrounding material. Once the zipper is fully detached, make sure to remove all old thread and any small pieces of the old zipper. This step ensures a perfectly clean and smooth surface for attaching your brand new zipper. With the old zipper gone, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully pin the new zipper into position, making sure it aligns perfectly with the original seam line. Next, attach a zipper foot to your sewing machine. This specialized foot helps you sew very close to the zipper teeth for a professional finish. Begin sewing slowly, maintaining a consistent seam allowance, typically about 1/4 of an inch. This precision ensures a strong and durable attachment. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and test your work. Trim any excess threads and carefully inspect all your stitched areas to ensure they are secure and neat. Now, test the new zipper by opening and closing it several times. It should operate smoothly without any snags. For extra durability and water resistance, you might consider applying a fabric sealant to the newly sewn seams. This simple step can extend the life of your repair significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.